back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. If you're looking for an entry-level remote job and you don't mind being in the finance field, processing payroll, picking up those kinds of skills, this video is just for you. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video, but the company Slate, now they do only have 66 reviews on Glassdoor, so you might want to do a little bit more research on the company. However, out of the reviews they have, they come very highly rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an operations associate. Now, this is full-time remote, and it is an entry-level position, they say. Now, Slate is a fast-growing provider of technology and business solutions for media production companies. They provide advanced technology for production, accounting, and entertainment payroll, and so they are looking for somebody to perform operations administrative duties related to their payroll processing services. You'll do things such as unemployment claims processing. You'll complete verbal and written verifications of employment. You'll handle any wage garnishments that need to come out of those payroll checks, medical support orders, and tax liens. You'll respond to verbal requests over the phone from different state agencies, banks, and employment agencies and loan processors. You'll be generating letters from the contract services from phone and email requests, and you'll complete monthly and quarterly survey calls. Now, because this is a entry-level position, they're not requiring very much at all. No college degree is required. They're looking for somebody who has the ability to deal with high volumes and can work under pressure, someone who has great attention to detail, someone who can look for a solution and not just be task-oriented, of course, someone who loves a challenge and who is driven and friendly. That is it. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.